Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency alerts the public of impending floods in some states of the Federation. The states are Rivers, Bayelsa, Edo, Borno, Kwara, Ondo, Adamawa, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, FCT, Imo, Jigawa, and Ogun states. Others are Sokoto, Nasarawa, Niger, Plateau, Taraba, Delta, Kebbi, Anambra, Bauchi, Benue, Kogi, Niger, Delta, Gombe, Taraba, Yobe, and Ebonyi states. 162 local government areas and 739 communities should also be at alert. Meanwhile, over 100 possible disruptions of major transportation routes may also be affected. The agency therefore advises that all emergency management stakeholders should be prepared for response protocols. Communities at risk should put evacuation plans in place and monitor update on weekly flood notifications from NIHSA flood dashboard, website, and social media handles.